Hello friends, this is Chetan from GT Networks for Statistics Use. Today let us solve a few problems regarding random variables, distribution function, density function and mass function. Let us take first question. Let x be a random variable with PDF f of x given by c into x square where modulus of x is less than or equal to 1. Modulus of x is less than or equal to 1 means minus 1 less than x less than 1. Okay, and here it is the equality, and we need to find the constant c. We know that f of x dx integration from the range of x, so that is minus 1 to plus 1, so this will be 1, that the totality under the probability is 1. Okay, so this implies minus 1 to plus 1 c into x square dx, so this should be equal to 1. Okay, so I'll take c out, c, since c is a constant, and integration of x square is x power 3 by 3 from minus 1 to 1, so this is equal to 1 by c implies, and when you put upper limit, that is 1, so it is 1 by 3 minus the lower limit minus 1 power 3, so that is minus 1 by 3. So this minus and minus, this is plus, so 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3, so that is 2 by 3 equal to 1 by c implies c takes the value 3 by 2. So this is where you can find the value of c using simple result. Now let us look at next problem. Here it is given that let x be a continuous random variable with PDF is given by 4x power 3 and x takes the value from 0 to 1, and we need to find the probability that x is less than or equal to 2 by 3 and x is greater than 1 by 3. Okay, so here x is ranging from 0 to 1. Okay, but 0 is not included, 1 is included. Fine, so here x less 0 is less than here, so 0 is not included, only 1 is included. Okay, so this is 0 is not included, only 1 is included. Fine, and we have 2 by 3 and 1 by 3. Suppose this is 1 by 3 and this is 2 by 3. Now we have to find the probability that x is less than 2 by 3, that is x is less than 2 by 3 given that x is greater than 1 by 3. So that is probability of x is less than or equal to 2 by 3 given that x is greater than 1 by 3. So we have the formula that probability of a given b, so this can be given by probability of a intersection b divided by probability of b. Okay, and note that this probability of b is not equal to 0. Okay, so we will solve this. We have that this can be given by, this is equal to probability of x less than or equal to 2 by 3 and x is greater than 1 by 3. Okay, and divided by probability of x greater than 1 by 3. We have to solve this denominator, probability of x greater than 1 by 3. We have the PDF given by 4x square, so it is 1 by 3 to x ranges from 0 to 1, but we want the probability from 1 by 3 to 1, and then f of x dx, that is 4x power 3 dx. So let us solve this. So this could be given by, this 4 is a constant, I will take this outside, and integration of x power 3 is x power 4 by 4, and integration ranging from 1 by 3 to 1. So now the upper limit is 1, so 1 power 4 is 1, so this 4 and 4 will cancel first, so upper limit is 1 minus lower limit 1 by 3 to the power 4, so 1 by 3 to the power 4. Okay, so this is the denominator, and let us see the numerator. So x is less than 2 by 3 and x is greater than 1 by 3, the intersection of this, so this can be found out as integration of f of x from 1 by 3 to 2 by 3 f of x dx. So f of x is 4x power 3 dx. Okay, so take this 4 outside and it is x power 4 by 4, x power 4 by 4, this 4 cancels, and the limit of integration is 1 by 3 to 2 by 3. Okay, and upon solving this we'll get it is 2 by 3 to the power 4 minus 1 by 3 to the power 4. Okay, so this is numerator and this is denominator. So you can solve this. 2 power 4 minus 1 power 4, that is 1, divided by 3 power 4 whole divided by, so this 3 power 4 minus 1 divided by 3 power 4. Okay, so this 3 power 4, this 3 power 4 cancels, and then you can solve this easily. 2 power 4 minus 1 and then 3 power 4 minus 1. So this is the final answer. 2 power 4 minus 1 divided by 3 power 4 minus 1. So that is the final answer. Let us look at the next example. So this question has been asked in 2015 GATE and in mathematics section. Let the random variable x have the distribution function. It is given by this f of x. So this takes the value 0 when x is less than 0, and it takes the value x by 2 when x lies between 0 and 1, and it carries the value 3 by 5 when x is lies between 1 and 2, and it assumes the value 1 by 2 plus x by 8 where x takes the values from 2 to 3, and if x is taking the value more than 3 then it is 1. Okay, and they have asked us to find what is the value of x where x lies between 2 to 4. Okay, we have that probability of a less than x less than b, and here equality is included. So if this is the case, then this is nothing but f of b minus f of a plus probability that x takes the value a. So this is the formula. Let us calculate one by one. So f of b means here probability of 2 less than or equal to x less than 4. So that is equal to f of 4 minus f of 2 plus probability that x takes the value 2. First let us calculate the probability of x equal to 2. Probability of x equal to 2. So this is nothing but f of 2 plus minus f of 2 minus. So what is this? Here x is been included. Okay, so x is included, so we take that 1 by 2 plus x by 8. So what is the value of x now? It is 2 minus, here x is not been included, so the probability is 3 by 5 minus 3 by 5. So upon calculating it, so the x is taking the value 2, so 2 by 8 is 1 by 4, 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2, so that is nothing but 3 by 4, 3 by 4 minus 3 by 5. So the value of this is 3 by 20. Okay, here the LCM is 20, so 3 5s, and here it is into 4, so 3 is common, 5 minus 4 is 1, so 3 by 20. Okay, now let us calculate what is f of 4. See, you can observe that when x takes the value more than 3, the f of x value is 1. Okay, so here 4 is greater than 3, 4 is greater than or equal to 3, so what is the value of f of x? That is 1. So f of b, that is f of 4, so this takes the value 1 minus f of 2. So f of 2 means here x is 2 is included and x is less than 3. So when you want to take or calculate the value of f of 2, so just put 2 here, just put 2 here. So 2 by 8 plus 1 by 2, it is 2 by 8 means 1 by 4, so 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2, so that is 3 by 4, 3 by 4, and here it is 1 plus probability that x takes the value 2, so that is 3 by 20. So upon calculating, so 1 minus 3 by 4, that is 1 by 4 plus 3 by 20, and we can, the LCM is 20, so here this is, I will make this 5 into 4, and again here multiply and divided by 5. So 5 into 4 20, and here it is 20. So 5 plus 3 is 8 divided by 20. So 8 by 20 means it is 4 2s, 2 by 5, that is 1 by 5. Okay. 8 by 20, 2 by 5, 2 by 5 is 0.4. Okay, the answer is 0.4. This is numerical answer type. And let us move at next question. This question also has been asked in GATE. In 2015, so this also has been asked in GATE 2015. Okay, again they have given the distribution function, and they have asked us to find what is the value of expectation of x. We have the formula that expectation of x can also be obtained as, it is integration from 0 to infinity probability that x greater than or equal to x dx. So if you calculate this, then this is equals to expectation of x, and you know that probability that x less than or equal to x, so this can be obtained as 1 minus probability of x greater than or equal to x. Okay, so because the totality of the probability should be 1, x less than x plus x greater than x, so the sum should be 1, so that's why we use this relation. Okay, now so this can be obtained as, that is equal to integration from that integration of the range from 0 to infinity, or 1 minus probability of x less than or equal to x. Okay, so that is into dx. I write this as integration of 0 to infinity 1 minus f of x dx. Okay, let us calculate this and to find the expectation. Here we have 1 minus 0 integration of minus infinity. So x less than 0 means x may take value up to minus infinity to 0, and 1 minus 0 into dx. So the value of this is 0, plus then when x takes the value 0 to 1, that is 0 to 1, 1 minus 1 by 4, 1 minus 1 by 4 dx. Okay, plus when x takes the value 1 to 2, 1 to 2, 1 minus 1 by 3 the dx, plus when x takes the value 2 to 11 by 3, that is 2 to 11 by 3, 1 minus 1 by 2 dx, 1 minus 1 by 2 dx. And when x is taking the value more than 11 by 3, so 1 minus 1 is 0, 1 minus 1, that is 0 from 11 by 3 to infinity, so into dx. We need to evaluate this expression. Here it is 0 and here it is 0, and 1 minus 1 by 4, so 1 minus 1 by 4 means it is 3 by 4, and upon integrating, so integration of dx is x, and upper limit minus lower limit 1 minus 0, so this is 3 by 4, and here it is 3, here it goes 3 minus 1, 2 by 3, upper limit is 2, lower limit is 1, so it is 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3, and here 1 minus 1 by 2, so 1 minus 1 by 2 is, it is 1 by 2, 1 by 2 times upper limit minus lower limit, so that is this plus 1 by 2 times upper limit is 11 by 3 minus lower limit is minus 2. So just evaluate this to get the value of expectation of x. So 3 by 4 plus 2 by 3, and here it is 11 by 6 plus 11 by 6 minus 1. Upon calculating this, the value of expectation of x, so you simplify this and you will get the value as 27 by 12, and that is approximately 2.25. So the value of this is 2.25. So this is the answer. This concludes the video of today's topic, and in next upcoming videos I will discuss about transformation of variables, and a few more problems we will take up. So thank you friends, thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day.